Hey guys, it's Joy, your travel expert here on board the Valiant Lady, and we are in a mega Rockstar suite. We're in a gorgeous suite, so come on in. All right, so this is a little desk area with some storage. Oh, a large remote and a hair dryer. You can get ready there if you like, or you can get ready in this awesome bathroom. It is just one sink, but it has a pretty large vanity area to spread out. And then a large shower. There is no enclosure. There's a window here that you can see out, but if you are sailing with somebody that you don't want to watch you shower, you can get that covered. And then in here is the toilet with a little door for privacy. And then we will head out. Since we are rock stars, we do have these lovely little rock star robes here. And then back here is the closet. And Mega Rockstar does come with complimentary laundry service. So you just fill your bag up and they will wash or press your items for you. More storage down here. Safe, hang up your clothes. And then these rooms come with a king bed, and something really cool is some little hidden storage underneath here as well. So lots of storage in here. The other side does not have storage bins, but it is open for you to slide your suitcase up underneath it. And then you have this little sitting area. And then over here, so you can like entertain some guests if you like, with some tunes, or your complimentary bar, different from the Rockstar that's only filled once. Mega Rockstar can be, they will refill it daily with whatever you like. Then you have your little mini fridge, which they also stock champagne, beer, sodas, and then some more storage, and then some more storage, and some more storage, and then the glasses, bar glasses are in here. All right, let's head out to the outside because it is awesome out here. You've got two loungers, the famous red hammock, and then also an outdoor shower. Maybe we'll do a different video of the outdoor shower because I really don't want to turn it on right now. And this is a gorgeous suite on board the Valiant Lady, Virgin Voyage.